2, 3. You like Princess Amarah? You like it?
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my 4-year-old daughter's hair. So I started by dividing her hair into 2 sections, and then that first part is right behind the ear and it goes all the way across, and then it's the big section I'm going to divide into 3. Her, around her neck and not her neck, around her scalp hair area, hairline is red. If you know, you know. Like, trust me, she's not in no pain. I didn't do it hard. So I'm using the Shine and Jam conditioning gel, and let me tell you the secret to 2-strand twists. If your 2-strand twists are frizzy and they don't look smooth, it's because 1, you're not using enough product, and 2, you're not smoothing as you go. Like, you have to smooth the hair as you go, like as you twist. But yeah, this is the second section, and I'm going to divide this into 3. And if you have a toddler, then you know what I'm feeling right now, because when you're doing hair, you just have to go with it, okay? So I don't care about my parts being straight when it comes to doing her hair, because I got to get it done while I can, okay? Before her attention runs out, before she gets bored with the phone or the iPad. Like, I just got to hurry up and bust it down. I don't put rubber bands tight. I actually only loop around 3 times, and then sometimes I may pull them to make it a little tighter, but really I just do 3 times around, and then I just pull if necessary. Y'all, when I say like that, I haven't used that Shine and Jam before. It's my first time using it on her, like, recently, and it changed the game. Like, I was using pink lotion, and that's what I moisturized her hair with before this, and then I was using just like gel. But no, that Shine and Jam is the business. And she likes to watch people eat and do stuff on YouTube. It's like the weirdest things ever, but yeah. And then this last one is going to be the buns, but my camera cut out. But I did the same 2-strand twist, and then I just wrapped that around it. And this top part is going to be 2-strand twist also. Again, conditioning gel, okay? Smooth as you go product. And then her favorite part is loading up the little bead getter on her, okay? That's what I call it. The beader. Makes sense. So I let her load it on. She got to choose how she put the color beads on there and what order, and Mama just went with it. It's kind of our little thing now. I want to show you guys how to put on beads if you don't know. So I personally just slide the hair in, like I open it up and I slide the hair in there, and then you push the beads up, and then that hair will pull down, and then that's it. And then you just flip that hair over the first bead like that. And then you just take the rubber band and wrap it. And that's how I wrap. Some people may not wrap like this, but I found that that's the easiest. That's why I slowed it down. It's weird, but like, it works. You just have to get used to that finger movement. Anyways, this is the finished product, and she loved it. And that's pretty much the goal, is if she love it, I love it, we love it. If she's feeling cute, then that's it. That's my Amarah. Thanks for watching. Go ahead, give it a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe, because I have some new things coming for my channel. and I hope you guys are excited. Yes, she started pouting because I wanted to pull the camera up for the iPad to show her hair, but as you can see, that changed once she saw her hair. Yeah, peace.